Hey guys, Harav here. What's up? Welcome to my channel. And today we will be going to learn states of matter. I think you are familiar with this chapter. So, without any further ado, we'll start. But I would really want to thank Microsoft PowerPoint because I am recording this whole video in Microsoft PowerPoint. And before we start this video, please like, share and comment on this video and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notifications whenever I post my videos. And when you click the notification bell, click on all or personal. So let's start. So the first question, what is matter? Well, matter is everything basically, from as small as a ball to as big as an aeroplane. Even air, which we cannot see, is also a matter. So, matter is everything. So, let's know the three types of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. We'll go deep into it, but first we will see what are the properties of matter. Uh, well, it occupies space, it has mass or weight, it can be perceived by the senses. So it occupies space means when you put juice into a glass, the juice occupies the space. It has mass or weight. When you hold your phone, you can see that it has a mass or a weight. It can be perceived by the senses. Perceived means it can be sensed, it can be felt. For example, uh, like air, I said we cannot see it, but we can feel it. So I think you are clear till here. So give a thumbs up. Let's go deep into solids. The solids are molecules that are closely packed and have no intermolecular spaces between them. So, for example, I have this bottle over here. So, it has molecules that are very closely packed. So, that's why it is not being compressed and they have no intermolecular space. So, it is tough and rigid. Well, there are some solids like this Kinder Joy ball egg I have. So you can see it can be compressed. But these are known as malleable solids and we will not discuss this in this video. For examples of solids, there is a scooter, egg, ink pot and pen. Now this is a Now we will focus on solid on four basic properties, that is of its fixed shape, fixed volume, fixed geometry and compressibility. So we will see that does solid have these properties in it or not. So does does a solid have a fixed shape? Yes, it has a fixed shape. Now does a solid have a fixed volume? No, it has a fixed volume. Now what about geometry? Does a solid have a fixed geometry? Yes, they have a fixed geometry. Sorry, I had done a mistake in fixed volume. I had said no, but it is correct, so don't get confused. And compressibility, it is no, as I said. But malleable solids are compressible, but we are not talking about that in this video. Let's know about liquid. So, liquids have molecules that are partially packed and has partial amount of intermolecular spaces between them. So, as you can see in this diagram or in this figure, you can see that those blue molecules are not closely packed. This means that this means that they are not rigid and they have intermolecular spaces between them, so this means they are not as hard as a solid, so there is a difference. Examples are apple vinegar, water, mustard oil. I like vector pictures, I keep them. Now again the checkpoint time of liquid. So does a liquid have a fixed shape? No, they do not have a fixed shape. Do they have a fixed volume? Yes, they have a fixed volume. So does it have a fixed geometry? And is water compressible? Well, this is a bit hard, but the answer is no. I'll tell you why. Well, when you take a plastic bottle and fill it with water, are you really compressing the water or you're compressing the air inside the bottle? So that's why water is not compressible. For example, if you fill the water bottle full with water, when you try to compress it, there is no air and hence water will not be able to get compressed. You have to be Superman for that. Now, the last state of matter, gas. Well, gases are molecules that are very loosely packed and have lot of intermolecular spaces between them. So these molecules fly freely, and that's why we cannot hold air. For example, oxygen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. We cannot see the gases. That's why I have given their scientific names. Checkpoint checkpoint time of gas. I think you will love the checkpoint times. You like the checkpoint time, don't you? Now, it is easy of gas. They don't have a fixed shape, nor a fixed volume, nor a fixed geometry. But, but, are they compressible? Of course they are compressible. When you see our whole room is filled with air. When you try to do like this, you are compressing the air. And that's why gas is easily compressible. Okay. Fact time, my favorite part of the video. We will learn a fact about this chapter, the states of matter. And our fact time is, what are the things? What are the things like slime or black? Are they a solid or are they a liquid? Well, the answer is both. They are solids when more pressure is applied, hard as cement, and when very less pressure is applied, they are as though something gooey in your hand, liquidy. And this is known to be non-Newtonian fluid or a liquid. Non-Newtonian fluid or liquid. So, do you know the process when more pressure is applied so they become solid, and when less pressure is applied they become a liquid? Well, this is called viscosity. So, thank you for watching our video, and with this we end the video. Thank you and stay safe.